How to clean up your computer or make it faster. So in this video I'm going to talk about some methods that make your computer faster. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so if you're using the window or any if you're using the desktop or laptop, so there is a drivers in your computer. So maybe you are using the two drivers, or if you're using a laptop, so then many people is using the only one hard disk in the laptops. So in laptop generally there is one hard disk, and in desktop there is generally two hard disks. In one hard disk people using the programs like window programs, and another hard disk they are using to store the data and all. So I will show you. Okay, so here you can see I have two hard disks in my desktops. One hard disk which is C and another is E. So this is my Google Drive hard disk, and this is my another hard disk for other user. Okay, so main these two hard disks I have in my desktop. So one hard disk I am using only for window. Okay, so I just install the windows and other applications. You can see this is my program file. I have only my programs installed application and window installed in this driver or hard disks, or these hard disks for only store. Okay, so many people using desktop, they have two different hard disks in their computer. So sometimes they have only one hard disk, but they have two parts of one hard disk. So just check out your configuration, hardware configuration on your computer. So I have two hard disks in my computer. Okay, so this is C drive and this is my program files, C drive, and this is my for storage. So if you want to make your computer fast, you need the hard disks, your program file hard disks maximum free. Okay, which hard disk you have installed your Windows and any or others application, this hard disk should be maximum free. So in my case, you can see I have 232 GB, and I have only used 156 GB only, and this is my SSD hard disk. Okay, so there is a two type hard disk, SSD hard disk and normal hard disk. So SSD hard disk is a very fast compared to normal hard disk, so I am using the SSD hard disk. So I'll show you how you can clean up your all data. Okay, so show you one by one. So for that we need to clean up the temporary files and temporary other applications data. So let me show you one by one. So just come to the run app, open the run app, and first command we need to use temporary file, temp, and just click on OK. Then this window temporary file will be open. You can see in my C section I have window temporary file. So you will see the big huge data here if you did not clean up your temporary file. So in my case I have already deleted, so need to just select all and hit the delete button, and it will be delete everything. Some files will be not deleted because it is background running program. So just skip for all, then skip it and make it do this for all, and just skip it. Then other file will be delete and some file will be still there. So you don't need to worry, just skip it. Now again we need to go in run application. Just open the run application. Now we need to use percentage, type temp, and again percentage, hit the OK. Now you can see there is another app local temporary file will be open. This is app temporary files. The first one was window temporary file, and this is a app temporary file. This is also in C drive. Okay, select the all, just hit the delete. Some you need to do for all and skip it. So some file will be there. Actually I have deleted everything first, that's why it's not deleting anything here. So just select all and delete from your window. Okay, so third method is come again in runs application. Now type prefetch. Okay, prefetch, hit the OK. Now you can see there is a again local disk window prefetch. This is another temporary files, which is called pf file. Just select all, hit the delete and delete it. Okay, skip for all. Okay, now if you're using the window 10 or window 11, there is a one application inbuilt which is cleanup app. Just clean, select the clean here and select the clean disk here. So now you have to select the disk. So select your program file disk where you have installed the window and application. So I select this one, click OK. Then it will be explore your disks and it will be show you the all details with the memory they obtained. Okay, so in my case you can see I have temporary internet file which I have 3.62 MB, and another actually I have already cleaned up everything, so it's show minimum. So select whatever you want. You can select the recycling me, you can select thumbnails, you can select the temporary file here, you can select the temporary internet file here, you can also select the download program files and others you want to select and just click on OK. Then it will be clean up. Or you can also select the clean up system files or view files, then it will be clean. Just click on OK. Okay, so now there is another option you can use. You can delete the unwanted applications and unused application which you don't use frequently. You need to just delete it. Come to the settings and go to the app, and here you can select the app which you don't use much and just uninstall it. Okay, you can uninstall from here. Okay, so it will be free your program files driver and you make your computer fast. So unselect the unused application and uninstall it. Okay, so now the last option you can use, which is you can change your download folders file. Okay, sometimes you have download lots of things on your computer and you must be know that your download folder is by default linked to your program file driver. In my case, my download folder which is located in C drive, where I have already installed the program files and window programs. So it could be minimize it, definitely minimize your size of your this particular drive when you download so much in this folder. Okay, so I suggest you open your browser, whichever browser you're using, just open it, just click on three dot, go to the settings. If you're using any other browser, just come to the search and type the download, then you can see this is okay. Just hit enter the download and you can come here in download section and change it, because by default is the folder which is this one, which is linked to your program driver. So just select any other driver, and you can also create the folder for this download option. Select this folder and select one. So change the location of download because it is by default linked to your program file window, program file driver. So that is all you can do for if you want to make your window fast. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.